Hare Krishna, Sadar Pranam. A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel, A Few Facts About Psychology. And today's topic of discussion is social anxiety disorder. So, in the previous videos, we discussed what is social anxiety disorder and what are the causes of social anxiety disorder. So, now we're going to discuss that in what social situations a person suffering from social anxiety disorder may face social anxiety. It could be prior to a job interview. It could be prior to public speaking. It could be performing in front of the mass, big crowd. It could be even conversing with one-to-one conversation with another person. It could be conversing in group. It could be initiating a conversation and maintaining it. They will have difficulty in that. It could be participating in social gatherings. It could be anxiety when they are in public places. They will feel anxious even going to public places. And it could be if they are being gazed by others while they are writing, or while they are putting a signature on something, or they're eating or drinking in public. They could face social anxiety even while using public toilets. And they could face social anxiety even while dating. So, in a nutshell, we can say that the social situations provoke anxiety in such people. And what is the fear that causes social anxiety? The fear is negative evaluation by others and criticism. Basically, they fear criticism. So, that is the cause of their social anxiety. And like if they have to participate in a interview, if they have to go for an interview, or if they have to give a public speech, that time also they undergo social anxiety, a bit amount of social anxiety prior to interview and prior to public speaking is quite normal. But if the anxiety affects your functioning, then it becomes a disorder. And these people, they may be quite talented, they may be quite brilliant, but this social anxiety, it hinders their day-to-day functioning, and it is a hindrance in the lifestyle they desire to live. And one more thing I would like to make it quite clear, like people with social anxiety disorder, if they have to go for an interview, or if they have to give a speech in the public, what is the anxiety causing factor? It is what will others think. So that is the anxiety causing factor in them. And one thing I want to make quite clear, सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. And one more thing I would like to make it quite clear is that what others think about you is none of your business, because others thinking will only affect them and it will not affect you. So that's all for today. Thank you many folds for watching my YouTube channel. Jai Shri Krishna.